Welcome back to Next Gear AutoZone, where we don't just talk about cars, we tell their story. Imagine a car that isn't about speed, luxury, or flashing gadgets, but about character, simplicity, and resilience. A car that has survived decades, trends, and harsh conditions, yet still brings a smile to anyone who sees it. Today, we're diving into a legend that earned every bit of its reputation, the 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. By the late 1960s, the Beetle was already a global icon known as the people's car for its reliability and practicality. But 1968 marked a turning point. Volkswagen wasn't just building the same old bug anymore, they were modernizing it while preserving the soul that made it beloved worldwide. It was still unmistakably a Beetle, with its rounded roofline, short nose, and rear-mounted engine, but now it offered thoughtful updates that improved safety, comfort, and usability. Look at the exterior, and the evolution is clear. The headlights were upgraded to upright sealed beam units, meeting newer safety standards. The bumpers became taller and sturdier, offering better protection without compromising the classic look. For the first time, the fuel filler was moved to the outside of the front fender, a simple but revolutionary convenience in an era when drivers previously had to open the hood just to refuel. Subtle changes like these made the car more practical while keeping its signature charm intact. Under the rear deck lid sits the heart of the Beetle, a 1500cc air-cooled flat-four engine producing roughly 53 horsepower and 78 pound-feet of torque. Modest numbers by today's standards, but the engine's simplicity and durability were its true strengths. No coolant, no complex electronics, just air, fuel, and mechanical logic. Paired with either a traditional 4-speed manual transmission or the optional automatic stick shift, this setup could reliably run for decades, even under harsh conditions. The auto stick was an intriguing option for 1968. It eliminated the clutch pedal while retaining a manual-style gear lever. A torque converter handled low-speed movement, and a vacuum-operated clutch engaged automatically when you shifted. It wasn't designed for speed or thrills, but for convenience, demonstrating Volkswagen's clever approach, maintaining simplicity while experimenting with new ideas. Driving a 1968 Beetle is a unique experience. Acceleration is gradual, demanding patience and awareness. The steering is light and responsive, providing direct feedback that modern power-assisted systems rarely match. Thanks to the independent rear suspension introduced a year earlier, the car handles corners better than pre-1967 models, though it still requires respect at highway speeds or in gusty winds. You don't just operate this car, you feel it, understand it, and become part of it. Step inside and the improvements continue. For the first time, the dashboard was padded, replacing exposed metal with a safety-conscious design. The single speedometer and simple warning lights deliver essential information without distraction. Seats now included integrated headrests, and the cabin, while compact, feels open and comfortable. Storage in the front trunk and behind the rear seats makes weekend trips surprisingly practical. The upgraded fresh air ventilation system added a level of comfort that earlier Beetles lacked. Owning a 1968 Beetle today is about more than convenience or technology. It's about character, history, and connection. These cars demand attention, mechanical understanding, and respect, but in return they offer something rare: honesty. Project cars can start around $6,000, while well-maintained examples, especially those with period-correct features like the auto stick, can reach $20,000 or more. Restoration costs and parts availability vary, making careful selection essential for collectors. The 1968 Volkswagen Beetle isn't fast, luxurious, or perfect. It doesn't pretend to be. It represents an era when cars were built to be understood, maintained, and enjoyed for decades. Every curve, every hum of the air-cooled engine, and every small improvement tells a story of thoughtful engineering and enduring charm. It connects generations, from the people who drove them in the 60s to collectors and enthusiasts today who still value their honesty and character. If you love deep dives into automotive legends like this one, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a story. If you've ever owned or driven a Beetle, share your experience in the comments. Your stories keep this legacy alive. Until next time, drive safe, embrace character, and stay legendary.